So students, in continuation of birth control, next method of birth control is natural method. Natural methods of contraception depends on rhythm cycle of women. Some of the natural methods are to abstain, coitus interruptus and rhythm period. So first see, to abstain. It means refraining from coital activity. It means to abstain from coital activity or no sexual intercourse with female partner. Another one is coitus interruptus. It is also a natural method. Penis is withdrawing from vagina before ejaculation. Ejaculation means discharge of semen in the vagina of human female by the male at the end of coital activity or sexual intercourse. So this is the ejaculation. In this method, withdrawing penis or penis is withdrawn. From vagina by the male before ejaculation. So there is no deposition of semen into the vagina of female. No semen, no sperms in the vagina. So there are no chances of fertilization. So this method is called coitus interruptus. It is the oldest method of voluntary fertility control. This method has certain limitations, like some sperm may be deposited in the vagina even before the sexual climax. It may develop psychological and physiological problems to both the partners. So these are the limitations of this method. It may cause psychological and physiological problems in both the partners, and some sperms may deposited in the vagina before the sexual climax. So it is not 100% effective method. Now the last one is rhythm period. 1 week before and 1 week after menstrual phase is supposed to be safe period of sexual contact. So it reduces 80% chances of pregnancy. Why? You know, ovulation occurs on 15th day of menstrual cycle. generally in between 13 to 16 days. And viability period of ovum is 2 days. Viability period of sperm is about 24 hours or 1 day. So period from 10 to 17 days. In this period, inclusive of both the days called danger or risk period. Unprotected sexual intercourse should be avoided in this period because there are more chances of pregnancy in this period. So this is called risk period. Risk period or danger period 10 to 17th day of menstrual cycle, and the period 1 week before menstrual phase, this is the menstrual phase, lasts for 3 to 5 days. Menstrual phase. 1 week before menstrual phase and 1 week after menstrual phase is safe period. It reduces the chances of pregnancy by about 80%. So this is all about natural methods of contraception or birth control. That's all.